Hi guys, so in this video ay may i-review tayong panibagong project at ang pangalan nito guys ay Zap Clash, no? So right now meron silang ongoing pre-sale that's gonna start to happen within 4 days and 22 hours and it's gonna be live guys, no? At mabilis na, no? So ang USDT na i-raise nila dito with this pre-selling stage is around $300,000 USDT. So konti lang to kasi karamihan ng mga pre-selling na mga ni-review natin dito sa ating channel is around 10 million to 15 million. So ito medyo small time lang ito. So mabilis na mapupuno itong pre-selling na ito, no? Kasi $300,000 lang guys, napakabilis lang, no? At yan, kita nyo naman guys, ang magiging starting price niya is 0.148, no? And guys, you can pay here using ETH or you can connect your wallet on BSC, no? Suggest ko sa inyo guys, BSC, para hindi na mawala sa inyo yung gas fee sa ETH kasi around $20 din yung mawawala sa inyo kapag ETH eh. So kapag BSC, konti lang yung gas fee na i-consume niya. So I suggest you guys, you connect yung wallet nyo sa MetaMask and then use BSC pagdating sa mga pre-selling kasi mas makakatipid kayo, no? Dahil malaki ang gas fee ng ETH. Okay. So, i-highlight ko lang dito guys yung mga selling point ng Zap Clash, no? Kasi pinakamaganda kasi dito na pre-selling phase nila is ino-offer nila yung high APY rate for stakers. So, ano ba yung APY? So, yung appreciation per year, no? So, meron silang ino-offer na mataas na APY na percentage sa mga stakers nila. At kapag nag-participant kayo sa leaderboards nila guys, meron kayong chance na magkaroon ng limited premium NFT rewards, no? Yung design kasi ng Zap Clash token nila guys, inaalaw yung users ng mga iba't ibang purposes. Okay, marami siyang use cases, no? At marami siyang functionality at mga ownership. Okay, so yung first card game kasi niya guys, ginawa sa Ethereum. Okay? So tatlo yung main function ng first card game niya. So una guys, meron siyang PvP battle na naka-base doon sa card strength at may iba't ibang tactics doon sa card strength na yon sa PvP battle. Pangalawa, yung mga high ranking na player, kapag mataas yung rank nyo guys, you can gain prizes, no? Pagkatapos ng season. At pangatlo, yung meron siyang zap mechanism, no? So ano nga ba yung zap mechanism? Yun guys yung game factor para multiple bets during the battles, no? Accelerating the tactical feature nung PvP game niya. So meron siyang zap mechanism. Okay. At marami pang iba. So katulad nung nito, okay? Yung tokenomic niya guys, nagpo-provide siya ng stability. Okay. At yung nga pala yung APY na makukuha nyo dito. Okay. Learn more. Okay. So mataas yung APY nila eh. Okay. Sa staking guys, ilalock nyo yung token nyo for a period of 7 days, no? Tapos yung time frame is chosen to strike balance between incentivizing users at yung stability ng token. Okay, so meron silang 7 days na staking period. Okay, at the reason for the locking period para magkaroon ng market stability at long-term investment kasi kapag nag-stake, nakalock yung coins nyo, so hindi nyo pwede ibenta at this forces people to hold the tokens for long term, which is sometimes beneficial, no? At ito nga pala yung APY nila. So sa stage 1, 369%, no? At until listing is 79%. So the earlier you buy the tokens and the earlier you stake it, the more na mas mataas yung APY nyo. So yeah, it's really the timing. Kapag you get in early, it will really benefit you than going in at the latter part. Okay, kapag late na kayo, di mas maganda kang palagi kapag early. Okay, hindi naman namin masasabing late na, I don't know, pero mas maganda talaga lagi pag early. Okay, so kapag nabili ka ng tokens guys, no, meron dyan staking option, no? So pwede nyo i-stake or pwede nyo naman i-hold kung ano yung i-stake. Okay, so para ma-unstake naman guys, yan, madali lang yan. Syempre, i-unstake nyo lang, pindutin yung unstake, tapos i-claim nyo na yung rewards. Okay, tapos pwede nyo na ibenta sa mga pag nagkaroon na sila ng listing event. Okay, so nakita na natin kanina guys, 269% yung kanilang staking APY, napakataas. At ang total supply nila is around 180 million. So konti lang. At yung utility neto is eto, yung mga susunod: buy the Zap Clash box, place bet, pwede kayo mag-bet, buy NFTs, transaction fees, at upgrade NFTs. Okay, so yon yung mga in-offer nila. At yung gameplay niya guys is currently developing. So card game siya, no? Meron tactical and psychological elements at meron lang naman 100 na cards. So napakadami and more than 30 bases, no? So para siyang Clash Royale, labanan siya ng cards at puro memes yung mga cards na to sa game niya. And guys, ayan, Dogecoin meme, ito, Pepe coin meme. Okay, so yung tokenomic niya guys, 40% is allotted sa pre-sale, 35% sa staking rewards, 15% sa community, and 10% sa DEX. Okay, so yung tokenomic niya guys, dinisign daw para sa stability and community growth, no? 40% of the tokens available are for sale dahil sa pre-sale. Okay, tapos 10% for the community development. Okay, so yung publicly announced burning tokens mechanism, meron silang ganyan. Okay, meron silang burning token at in-announce nila yung publicly to combat the inflation and ensure na magiging stable yung project, no? So meron silang roadmap din. Tingnan natin yung roadmap nila. Ayan, ito yung burning mechanism nila. 100% of tokens from Zap Clash marketplace transaction fees. Okay, lahat ng mga transaction fees i-burn nila 100%. Tapos burn 100% of tokens from fees collected from in-game bets. Okay, lahat ng bet i-burn nila, grabe 100%. Pero dito 70% lang for total tokens sold for NFT card and bases. Okay, tapos 30% for development base. So lahat talaga napupunta for the benefit ng community, no? So walang kino-corrupt yung mismong community na I don't know how they earn from this. Pero ito yung roadmap nila, open and clear. Phase 1 up until phase 6. So ngayon nasa phase 1 tayo. Napakaaga pa guys, no? At yeah, ito naman na palagi ginagawa natin guys dito sa ating YouTube channel. Nagpi-feature tayo ng mga projects at the earliest part of their stage, no? So yeah, subscribe nyo na guys yung ating YouTube kung gusto nyo makahanap ng mga bagong, sobrang bago, mas bago pa. Sobrang bago talaga guys, katulad na itong to. Okay, so founder nila guys, taga Vietnam, Long Nguyen, okay? At ito pa yung mga iba pang developers nila. At yun lang naman guys, yung staking, check natin. Punta tayo dito, okay? 296 alam ko. Pero 325% yung lumabas dito, ayaw ko kung totoo yun. Pero ayun na nga, unstake nyo lang dito guys kapag nabili na kayo ng token. Tapos, ayan, total claimable pag ready na i-claim. So, kung gusto nyo pa i-stake ulit, edi stake nyo, okay? So, yun lang naman. Pwede nyo rin sila guys i-follow sa kanilang Twitter. Ayan, meron silang 1,770 followers. At dito guys sa kanilang Telegram, ayan, Zap Clash Official. So, bagong-bago pa itong game na to guys. Okay, so kung gusto nyo sila i-subscribe and i-follow nyo sila guys sa kanilang mga community platform. At yeah, abangan nyo yung kanilang magiging pre-sale. For sure, magiging mabilis lang to. So, maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo. See you soon sa ating next video.